I'm Lisa from the Shawnee Public Library, and I'm here today to show you a quick and easy way that you can make a healthy and economical snack for your family. Today we are going to be showing you how to make hummus. I'm going to make a traditional roasted garlic and olive oil and lemon hummus today, but I've also made a zesty cilantro and jalapeno hummus, as well as a sweet hummus with chocolate chip cookie dough flavors. So these are economical, easy to do, quick, healthy recipes for your family that we will show you simple ways that you can provide this. So first of all, I'm going to start by doing my chickpeas all into the food processor. This is 1 can of drained chickpeas, and they are drained and well rinsed. Now I do drain my chickpeas and save the juice, because if you need a little extra liquid to thin your hummus, the juice from the chickpeas is a great way to do that, or you can just use plain water. It's up to you. Next, I'm going to add in my tahini paste. Tahini paste is a sesame butter. You find it in the ethnic area of your grocery store. You also might find it by the peanut butter in some grocery stores. My grocery store just moved it to the peanut butter aisle. I looked all over for it and had to ask for help. Next, I have some roasted garlic and olive oil, and I simply roasted this garlic in the olive oil on the stove. The garlic gets nice and smooth and takes away the sharp edge, and the olive oil gets infused with the flavor. You can also use just straight fresh raw garlic. You'll have a little more bite to it. It's purely a preference. This was just something I did last night. Quick and easy to do and no mess at all. Peeling the garlic is the hardest part. Next, we have lemon juice. This is fresh squeezed lemon juice. 1 lemon. I'm going to put that into the food processor, and a little bit of salt. Now, I'm just going to simply blend this until it's the consistency I like. Make sure that you use a good food processor that can get it smooth and creamy. That is the really one difference between commercially prepared hummus, is if you do not process it long enough. If you need to thin it out, you can add water, or like I said, some of the juice from the can, which is also known as aquafaba and can be used for lots of other things, or you can add some more olive oil. This is really a personal preference. You can make this to your taste. You can add some red pepper flakes. You could add some roasted red pepper. Once you have a basic recipe and a basic combination, go nuts and do what you like. You can use different kinds of beans. You can use black beans. You can use black beans, you can use cannellini beans, you can use really whatever kind of bean you would like. This just makes a great base. Traditionally, hummus is made with chickpeas or garbanzo beans. They are the same thing. Don't be confused by that. It's just a regional thing, what people call them. Another great option, I've seen it made with beets, roasted beets, or soybeans or edamame. Another very healthy alternative for you. So whatever you'd like, once you have a basic recipe, add away what you want to make the flavors. If you like it with a little kick, if you like it really garlicky. I get accused of making things too garlicky, but in my family, that's the way we like it. So I'm going to put the processing lid on here and just quickly give this a spin and show you how quick and easy this is. So I've blended this for about a minute, and it is a little bit thicker than I like it, so I'm going to add just a little bit of this juice from the can, maybe about a tablespoon, and also I'm going to add in a little bit more olive oil. Like I said, this is really your preference. When you make the hummus at home, you control, so it was maybe about a tablespoon more of olive oil. When you do this at home, you control the salt content, you control the garlic level, the heat level. So that's one of the benefits of making it yourself, is that you are making it fresh and much more healthy. So I'm going to blend a little bit more. Now this has been a total of about 2 minutes of blending, and my hummus is nice and creamy. And at this point, simply take it out of the food processor, put it into your bowl, and you have your snack. It does do well if you've refrigerated it for a little while, maybe an hour or so, let the flavors kind of come together. I put mine into my bowl. I poured just a little bit of olive oil over the top, because that's how you see it when you buy it in the store. And I added a little roasted garlic clove to the top so that people know this is roasted garlic. Here is my cilantro jalapeno. I put some cilantro leaves and garnished with a jalapeno slice and my chocolate chip with a little bit of extra. I serve the regular hummus with carrot sticks and celery. That makes it super, super healthy. You can also use crackers or pita chips or fresh pita bread, whatever you prefer. For the cookie dough hummus, I prefer it with graham crackers, but you can also use vanilla wafers or even apple slices. This makes a very healthy, very nutritious snack for your family, and it's very economical. I made this batch of hummus, which is approximately just over 2 cups, 1 can of chickpeas, about 2 cups total volume, and this probably costs less than $1.50 to make when you buy all of your ingredients. A lemon, some garlic, some tahini. That's a little expensive, but 1 jar will last you for a very long time and make multiple batches. So really, this is an economical, healthy snack for you and your family. It'll keep in the refrigerator for about a week, maybe 5 to 7 days, and enjoy. Now remember, this is a program sponsored by the Oklahoma Department of Libraries Health Literacy Grant, and in order for us to continue to provide grant programs like this, we ask that you take the survey at the end of this presentation so that we can gain our feedback and see what other kinds of programs you would like to watch. Look out for more programs from our health literacy program coming. All of our branches are providing them, and we look forward to a happy and healthy new year. If you haven't signed up yet for the Healthier You Challenge, feel free, go to our website and see that. Healthier You, we have a series of challenges now through April to help you start your new year in a healthy way. And remember, check out our digital collections on Hoopla for more ideas of great recipe books for hummus and other Mediterranean treats. Thank you.